YouTube on air. It should
Okay.
appear briefly.
Yep, I see it.
Okay. So now if you could do this X.
All right, let's do the X. So we don't want to go live yet on YouTube, right? Let's just kind of. Oh, it is live. It is live actually right
Yeah.
now. Let
But
me.
probably, is it listed or unlisted?
It's listed. It's listed live.
Okay.
Unlisted. It's unlisted. It's unlisted. It's unlisted.
Okay.
I will public soon. Let me edit the title real quick, and then I'll be.
Yeah. And you can add this stream link there, because that's how people can watch on Streamer TV. So you can say that watch on Streamer instead and join the call. They can actually join the same way as you did.
They'll join the call and they'll be in the audience, correct? Or they'll be able to join and speak.
They can also become speakers the same way as you did. If I let them in. Okay, but then the X. Then the X.
Yeah, let's do the.
You can create a.
So I should create a space through Streamer TV or Streamer app, correct? A video space or just a regular.
I don't know. Do you use the spaces or do you use this live streaming functionality of X? Well, I could actually also do that because I have been using this streamer. I don't know how to post it. I have been using the streamer account in X for testing.
The connection's kind of off.
Okay, but I'm still. I see you fine.
Yeah, I see you fine. I just the audio. There's like a little. It was a little off there. What were you saying?
Yes, so I could also try doing it myself. But how to post this? This is the thing. Building in public call, category technology, select source, yes. This is.
Are you post the space, or do you want me to do it under StreamrApp?
No, I really don't know if you can somehow get to these. Because I'm using X Media Studio, and that one,
So the way you do, you go to more on the desktop, and it says create your space.
okay, I have no idea of that, but hopefully you can get RTMP and Stream Key from there. If you can, then it's fine.
I just don't know if it's going to be a video space.
Yes.
It's going to be a video space. It's going to be. Oh, I think you can turn it into a video space.
Okay, but now we are 1 minute past. So is this live on YouTube already?
I'm trying to figure out how we can get this on. Okay, let me. Did you hear that background noise or no?
With some key presses and stuff. Nothing serious.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Maybe Mark needs to do
Oh,
the.
we have some speaker requests here. Yes, Mark, you're calling. Yes.
Actually,
Yes,
yeah,
I'm reading and I'm seeing the request.
actually working on those.
Yes.
So is that a request from Rob?
Yes, there's some requests. I can accept somebody.
Yeah, that's Rob. But also, I can't hear you because there's no setting for me to change my speakers on my MacBook. It's playing through that black hole
Oh,
plugin.
so maybe you can maybe listen with delay from the YouTube or something like that.
Yeah, I can try. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll accept this, guys. Okay. Okay, now we are going to have some more speakers coming in. Let's.
Yeah, it looks like we have someone else in here. Just can't
Yeah,
see them.
Rob is coming.
Oh, cool.
So let.
Maybe they. I think the thing is people need to press go live, and
Yes.
then that's it. I think that needs to say like start or make it make sense for people because I don't know if because
Yeah.
that confused me.
Yeah, that could be the thing. So Rob, if you are listening to us, please press go live so we can add you to the
'Cause I
call.
heard some music coming in.
Okay,
I'm trying.
I'm getting here. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah, there you are.
but do you have your camera on?
I did not. Hang on. No.
Oh, that's why we couldn't see you. We can hear you. Yes.
There needs to be like a default profile when someone logs on, like as the like at least show that someone is
Yeah.
there. You know.
Okay, but there you are. Hello and welcome. Okay, now your camera went off again, but you were briefly seen.
I'm trying to see how we can do this on a video space. I don't get why it doesn't let you do it via desktop.
Oh, so maybe we actually start a video stream on X, live stream.
Just a regular live stream. Let me do it via my.
Yeah, it's the X Studio. What is it?
Yeah, like it lets me and it lets me enable video on on a video on a mobile. Doesn't I don't get why it doesn't let me do it on video on a desktop. Let me try my there Chrome.
Okay, Rob, welcome again. There seems to be some problem with the video. I can see a still frame from Rob. Okay, Rob is coming and going.
I think
Can you
what
hear?
happened here maybe.
Can you hear me or see me?
Yeah, we can hear you, Rob.
Maybe I have a bad connection.
Yeah, so maybe you can talk without video. We can hear you. So what's up, Rob?
All right. So I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yep.
Okay. I hear it's just it sounds like kind of garbled a little bit, but maybe I have a bad connection.
Your sound is perfect this way.
I didn't hear what you said. See, it was kind of like bad.
Okay. Okay, yeah. But anyway, your sound is perfect.
Yeah. Let me see. I'm gonna disconnect and start over.
It's weird. It doesn't let me do it on the desktop.
Yeah, I think it's best to set up a regular
Yeah, maybe just do it without.
X live stream that you can do on desktop.
Yeah. So I just did it for video. I think they'll be able to hear us on here, and then let's go here.
So hello, Mark. We cannot hear you. We see you perfectly, but there's no sound at all from you. So what is going on here? If there are people watching, so if there are people watching, we are now testing the streamer beta on this building in public call. We are broadcasting live from the streamer beta, and we are currently live on YouTube, and at the same time we are setting up uh, the video streaming to X. So let's see how it turns out. So Adev is setting this up.
Yeah. So right now I'm trying to figure out how to. I want to figure out how we can get this restreamed via X. Right now we have it restreamed via YouTube, which is pretty easy to do. And then the other one we're able to do is on LinkedIn, right?
We have been testing on Twitch, but any RTMP compatible
Twitch.
system should do. So that's what we are.
Can I share the down in our Twitter space so people can join if they want? I mean, not many people are in the space yet, but maybe as more people come and join, they'll come to the actual StreamrApp and be able to talk on there, and then we'll have people come up. The people that are in our Twitter, have you come up on our StreamrApp, and you can talk if you want on our StreamrApp, because right now we're live on StreamrApp. We're restreaming it via YouTube. Via X. We're having some technical difficulties there from the X side of things, but we have it on YouTube, and we're gonna soon have it restream via Twitch as well, and other platforms in the coming future.
That's awesome. Can you hear me now, guys, or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
We can-
Okay. Yay, we're live on Streamer. Woo! Good one, guys. Awesome. Did Rob try and join earlier as well? Did I see his face and then he disappeared?
I think he might be still in, Rob. I'm not sure.
I'll nudge him.
We're hosting X space right now, not like a video space. We're hosting the X space where it's audio only right now. I'll change it to video.
Okay, Rob is
He sent me a message
trying to get in again, but there seems to be some problem. There seems to be some technical problem with Rob. Let's see. Let's reject his old request. And now I accepted his new request. Rob, are you with us? Hello, Rob. Okay, there's still some difficulties for Rob. So one thing to notice here is that the mobile doesn't work yet. So if you want to join this call, you must do it on desktop and using Chrome. So we are currently working on the mobile versions and versions that also work on Safari, but those are not ready yet. So this is a very early preview.
Yeah, and you should use Chrome as well, right? If you're on your laptop or your desktop.
Yeah, laptop and Chrome.
Yeah.
So that's all that works.
I'm kind of bothered that I can't get the video part of this on X. It's kind of annoying. Doesn't make sense.
So would you like us to give some updates while you are still working on the X, or?
So we're currently live on X, but we're just live on the spaces part. I want to, or like the audio. I want to turn this into a video stream, so then we can get the possibility of reaching it via StreamrApp. Right now, doesn't really make sense to stream an audio space, but to stream a video space makes more sense. I'm just curious how StreamYard does it.
I think there must be some settings in the X UI that we haven't discovered yet.
Yeah.
Because you maybe you can use the AI or use the Google or whatsoever to try to find like the X.
Hey, you hear me?
Yes.
Hey, no, he's connected via the X space audio space, Rob. So we can hear you on the X space, Rob.
What all I hear is really loud music.
Where? On the? Are you pressing go live when you press streamer when you're on the StreamrApp?
No, I had to send a request to Mark to join, and I think it's just getting like I had to keep re-signing on, and then it says request sent. So I don't know if he needs to keep accepting it. I don't it's asking me. You know what I mean?
It should just send you to the homepage or the page where the session is taking place, and then you can and then you press go live. I think you're I think you're here right now. I just don't know if your video is on.
All right.
Yeah.
Hold on.
No worries.
Okay, but we can hear you perfectly.
Yeah, I have to request. Send request.
Yeah, send request.
Okay,
so
now I can see the request.
I'm requesting.
I accept.
Petri said he saw the request.
I accepted your request. But I cannot see your video. Is your camera on?
He said camera is.
Yeah, so it's like really, it's a bad connection for me through the StreamrApp. But I can hear on Twitter Space, but I can't now hear.
What device are you on, Rob?
phone. I'm on mobile. That's why I think it's working.
Correct.
Oh, I'm on a Saga Solana.
Yeah, we haven't optimized for mobile yet. You probably need to be on a Wi-Fi network, to be honest.
Yeah. It's this doesn't work on mobile yet, so that is expected that it doesn't work when you are on mobile.
Oh, that's a shame. I was looking forward to catching up with Rob.
He's still here. Still here. He's just on the X space.
I just hear music though. You don't hear. I don't know how. Like maybe it's
just not. We're not optimized for mobile yet, so that's why it's probably not
no.
working.
But I mean, I'm on the Twitter space now, and it's just like music. Like it's like you have background music playing, like I'm on hold or something.
Wait,
maybe it's my phone. I don't know. Does who else? Attention. Do you hear music or S13? You're here.
I'm trying. You don't hear anything. You don't hear us speaking to you.
No, I hear you talking. I just hear music in the background.
No, I don't have any. There's no music. That's interesting.
Yeah, there is music in the background. I'm on it on my phone now, and there's a few people on it.
Music.
Really?
Yeah, it's coming from the host, which is you.
Yeah, I don't. Maybe I have like music. Maybe I have music on in the background. I don't hear any music where I'm at. You guys can hear my where I'm at, so it's interesting.
No, it's the Twitter it's the X default music.
Like
it's waiting, so I think it's an X bug, X Spaces bug.
It's a setting, I think, on the space or something.
Maybe I need to maybe I need to. Okay, maybe just restart the X.
See if there must be a setting to play music or something for you on you just read on the app.
I turned it off now. The autoplay when the space starts. I don't know. Is it still there?
Let's see. No, yeah, the music is still playing.
I don't know. I'm not sure. That's it's a bug, probably the X space bug. Because I don't.
All right, turn it off. I don't know. You want to sign off and start it over?
Yeah. Let me do that. And
all right.
Yeah. Okay, let's try and do it. Maybe it's good now if you want to check it. I understand why you can't do a video on here. It doesn't let you do video. It's weird.
Would you like to test this regular X live stream?
Yeah. Ideally. Mark, do you hear any music now in the background?
No.
Okay, so I don't know, some bug, I guess. Yeah. Mark, do you hear any music now in the background? I hear my echo now. Okay, so I don't know, some bug.
So Rob, if you can hear this on X Spaces, click the link. Come join us on Streamer. Oh, you're on your mobile, aren't you? So
You requested.
you can stay there.
You there, Rob?
Okay, Adib, I can actually give it a shot and publish this as an X live stream, not X Spaces, but on X.
Yes, exactly. Yes, yeah.
So that's okay for you. So you are not trying to.
I can hear Rob.
Yes. Okay, I will do the setup now. Okay, just a moment.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on StreamrApp.
Key.
Rob, can you hear me now?
I hear you now, but now I have. I think it's like a combination of my bad connection and
Yeah.
maybe going between the two devices or the two apps.
Still echo?
That's weird. Like, yeah. Now, see, I have an echo. I have it a minute ago.
Are you also on the StreamrApp right now?
Wow.
And okay, now we are live on X.
Yes, we're live on X right now. I'm talking to Rob. Rob's in here.
Yeah.
But you said you hear an echo, Rob.
I don't hear you echoing. It's just myself, so it's got to be my connection.
Okay. Yeah, we're live audio right now.
Streamer on the app.
We're live on StreamrApp. Yeah, we're live on StreamrApp right now.
And we are live on Streamer Network X.
Yes. Yes.
Can you see that?
We're also live on YouTube, the Streamer Network YouTube account. Through the restreaming of StreamrApp.
Yes. So to explain this setup, so we don't have any third-party tools here in use. Everything is done with Streamer. So we are running the latest development version of Streamer Beta, and we are sending this RTMPS protocol over to our very simple WebSocket that receives WebSocket connections and makes TCP connections to these third-party streaming services. And our goal here is that this simple WebSocket proxy that is now running on our server will soon be running on the operator nodes. So then we will be totally serverless also when doing this restreaming.
All right. Well, what I just did, if you guys can hear me, so Peter, Petre, your connection was cutting in and out. So I don't know if they heard you much from the X audience, but essentially, what we're live right now. We got restreaming done with YouTube, and that is now. We tried to get it with X, but we were having some technical difficulties restreaming it via video. And so, yeah, this is definitely a test run, and we're happy to do it in public. This is a building in public call, first off, so these mess ups are supposed to happen, and obviously we do well is supposed to be shown. So both sides should be shown, right? But if you do want to join that call, I just added the link down below, and you can come and join the call. You can have a guest up to on this call. They can speak. Petri.
Hello. So let's see. I see no requests coming at the moment. You can also use the StreamrApp chat to chat with us. But now I'm actually making a post on X where I publish this live stream. So let's see. Do we get more viewers from there?
Let's see.
Petri, just read out your handle for X
Sorry?
so people know where to see the tweet and the post. What's your handle?
Yeah, the tweet is going to Streamer Network. Streamer Network.
The Streamer Network post will Streamer Network will post it. Okay, so we're gonna have Streamer Network account post out this new restream happening on StreamrApp.
Yes. So here, there should be now this Twitter or X live link posted on X, and so the followers,
All right, I'll share it via.
followers of Streamer Network should see it.
Yep, yeah, I see it. Oh, cool. So we got it going.
Yes.
Cool.
So basically, you have a decentralized Google Meet happening right now.
Yeah, I would say even more. I'd say we have a Google Meet, decentralized Google Meets happening, and then as well we have a
StreamYard.
StreamYard happening. Yeah.
At the same time,
Sorry.
to Mark, were you saying something?
So I just shared so guys, if you go check it out, we're live right now on Streamer Network, and we basically restream. We're on. Share the comment below, and I'll also share it on the comment below for the video. But we are restreaming via a private, decentralized way from StreamrApp through YouTube and X right now. So if you go on our account, you can. What we'll do is I'll end this space. We'll just talk via StreamrApp. But yeah, looks like we're fully live. So if you guys want to come on that call and speak with us, you're more than welcome to. We'll have that link below on this. The link is below right here, and it will also be below on the streamer call.
Are you going to leave the space open or close it?
I think we're going to close it because we're just gonna we'll just talk everything through Streamer Network on that space.
All right. Try to get over there on my laptop.
Yes.
Bye.
So actually, I could give you guys a glimpse of the user interface that we are currently using for making this building a public call. So just a moment. Yeah. So let's see how it goes, because I'm currently using the user interface, so I might get this infinite mirror effect here or something. So I will try to share the screen from another window to get past that problem. Share screen, streamer TV. Yes.
Cool. It's working, so it's good to see that.
Yes. Okay, I will now change this background here into my screen sharing. Just a moment. Where is it? Here. So, I think I will hide our faces now because
Okay.
these are obstructing the view, or I make us actually small. Maybe this is the best way. So we shall still be visible here like this, but we are going to be miniatures like this. I make this window a little smaller that you guys can see everything. So how about this? Okay, so now here we are using the Streamer Beta user interface. So instead of talking about calls, we talk about sessions, because a streamer session can be anything. It can be a video call, a video conference, or it can be this kind of a session that we are restreaming to other services. So something like what do you usually do using Restream or other applications like that. So I click here, start session. So it first ask my name and ask to use my camera. So maybe to avoid the confusion, I choose the OBS virtual camera here. So you will see the default image of the virtual camera instead of multiple copies of me. And then I can allow the audio and allow this time. Then I press start. And now you are seeing the user interface. Maybe I still should move our faces to another place, not to obstruct the view. Put us here. Yes. So yeah, so what can be done here? What are the new features? So we have here on the left, we have this left panel. This is the scenes panel. So here you can add new scenes. You can take them for editing, set their layout. And if you are using manual layout, you have very much freedom over the layout. So you can, for instance, choose the background like this. Then you can place this video and image boxes there. So let's say that we want to put our video to show in that box. So now this video that's coming from OBS Studio is actually going to this box. And we can move this around very freely. So then there's this property that you can actually set up these new scenes here and edit them. But there's always this one scene that is being broadcasted. That's the live one. So while you are running a broadcast, you can make this change. You don't need to. You don't need to have a pause in your broadcast to make changes to the scenes. Well, you have seen me tossing around our videos already. So I think this user interface, if you compare this to StreamYard, so I think this is much more intuitive and pretty easy to use. So let's hope that in the very near future you guys can get to experience this user interface yourselves. So we are in the phase that we are going to run some actual user studies, meaning that we let people to try and use this user interface, and I will be observing them from the back, and I'm going to make notes about how this usage of this user interface goes, and then make the corrections and adjustments based on that. And after this phase has finished, I mean tweaking the user interface, and after we have got the mobile working, so then we can release this to you guys to work to try. So this other feature that is unseen is this third party destinations feature. So from here you can choose that which services to restream to. So you basically just choose, okay, I want to configure Twitch. So you choose the server that you want to use, and then you enter the stream key here, which is given by the Twitch user interface. So that's basically it. All these destinations, they work the same way. I mean, we are not using this OAuth permission systems at all, because we see them quite problematic, as we have stated before, that in order to stream to YouTube on StreamYard, by default it asks you the permission to manage the whole YouTube account. And in our opinion, that is a little bit too risky and requires too much trust on this service provider. So we don't do that. We just use this basic like RTMP stream key. That is the old standard way of connecting to RTMP servers. So you only give the permission to us to stream stuff to particular stream and nothing else. So we are not going to be able to like delete all your videos or send some content to somewhere on your
I,
YouTube account. Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's like some cool things. I mean, obviously, I think it is a lot more intuitive than StreamYard. StreamYard is a little bit clunky and doesn't. It's a little bit harder to navigate. Everything is in StreamrApp itself, which is awesome. So like you go here, everything's inside like this UI itself, which is really nice. I think we could when I'm like a so when I'm speaking right, a highlight so much other stuff because that's a big thing with you're streaming and doing meetings and stuff and someone's talking and you see that they're talking, you don't want to interrupt them to have some type of like signal that someone else is talking. And another thing I'm curious about is like if we like one thing that I really loved about StreamYard was they did a AI clip after the stream was over. They would clip up videos and it came with the actual platform. So I'm curious if we'll enable something like that too in the near future, where it's just like clips up AI generated content from the stream itself.
Yes, definitely. So we have already this plugin system that was already implemented last autumn, and this chat that you actually see here, and you can already use, that is a plugin. It has been implemented as a plugin, and so are these hearts that you can send. They are a plugin. So we are going to add this kind of like additional features, such as this clipping feature, as a plugin. The same goes for video effects and stuff like that.
Yeah, I mean this is like the first iteration of it, the first beta launch
Yes,
or like 1.0 in a sense, right? So I mean it's pretty cool what we've got so far.
yes, and we are going to so this third user interface component that I didn't speak of, it is this so-called film strip. So you can add here different kind of tracks. So you can add like video tracks, audio tracks. You can add images, screen sharing, or you can add speakers. When additional speakers join, they will appear here on this film strip, and from there you can assign these to these slots. So now I put this one to the background. Now I can replace the background with something else. Then choose one slot. Now I'm having some user error here, it seems. Let's see. Yeah, I had two. So like this. So now let's assign this background image again to this box. Okay, now it went there. Yes. So there is some tweaking to do still, but you can see that you can like bring these boxes to front. So you can change the order of these boxes, and you can easily use this as it's kind of a, let's see, director's tool. So imagine that you are filming a sport match and you have camera 1 there on the left and camera 2 on the right. So you can just, what am I doing now? Okay, let's make this one big. This. No, it's not.
Can't hear you, Dave. No.
Okay, now it's working the way I described. So imagine that you are filming a sports match and you are the director. So you can just keep on clicking these different cameras on the film strip. And
Petri, someone's requested to speak. Can you give them permission?
yeah,
I don't know. It is.
sure.
They put their names. Hey,
Sure.
might be Rob.
Hello, Rob. Are you with us? Hello, Rob. Are you there? No, this time we cannot even hear you. Rob? Last time we could hear you, but we couldn't see you. But this time we cannot hear you. Okay, now we can see you, Rob. I will let you. I will let you into this show. Just a moment. Put you there. Yeah. Now, are you on the? Oh, you are on the show. Hello, Rob. How is it going? Hi, Rob.
There's some connectivity issues.
Okay, now Rob.
The chat.
Okay, Rob is there. I put him back. Hello, Rob. We cannot hear you. We can see you.
I think
press go live, Rob. Maybe you're not pressing go live. How did you fix it, Mark?
Petri fixed it for
The audio.
Yeah.
Like my audio setting was defaulting to Black Hole, which is a plugin, and I think Rob's got another plugin with his sound. It's probably defaulting to that. And then I think Petri, you fixed it for me on your side, didn't you?
No, I actually didn't do anything. So.
I don't know how it just sort of started working for me then.
Yeah, I didn't do anything. But maybe it was this go live that you pressed. Maybe. Maybe that was
Maybe.
it. Yes. Okay, but yeah, what we are learning from this is that, okay, our user interface still needs polishing, and we are going to do it in a professional way by using these test subjects and observing them how they use it. And another thing is this connectivity. So uh, we need to improve the connectivity with bad connections, unreliable connections, and so on. It just requires some optimization work.
Petri, we're not deploying this via operator nodes, this call, are we? Streamer operator nodes.
Let's actually check that out. Are the
I'm just
operator,
wondering in the
are,
next
are the
demo.
operator nodes there or not? Let me see, because we have that information actually available. Let's close this metric thing. Settings, network graph. No, operator nodes don't seem to be there.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Do
Yeah.
you think in the next demo we should deploy operator nodes?
Yes, definitely. We need to bring the operator nodes in.
Okay.
So
I
there's
mean,
probably some very simple bug that we now have in this version that the operator nodes do not
yeah,
join. Yeah,
yeah,
but that would explain also this bad connectivity thing.
yeah.
That's a big thing. Yeah, the operator nodes aren't live.
So we are actually running this in full peer-to-peer mode between the browsers currently.
Yeah, I've noticed because when I click out of the browser, if I go to another browser, it, I don't know if you guys are noticing the same thing.
Yeah, that's normal, Adiv. We've
Yeah,
seen that before. Petri has a solution for it. It's just it needs to be built essentially.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't hear the question. Can you
It was
repeat?
about when you click out from one browser tab to another and you get the cutting out.
Oh, well, is it so that we still have some issues with this background tabs that you switch the call to background and you still have some problem?
yeah. If I'm like if I need to go to another like tab on the browser,
Yeah.
I'll see that it lags pretty quick, or go to a completely new Chrome browser in general. There's a bit of a lag, but maybe that's because the operator nodes aren't aren't you know we're not really utilizing Streamer right now. So we are utilizing Streamer, but not to like the fullest extent, right? The comprehensive extent.
Yeah, it looks like that the operator nodes are not in this call. So we need to check the settings. There's some bug in this version of the streamer app that the operator nodes are not joining. So that should help these bandwidth issues a lot once we get them here. Okay, yeah. So is there something else you guys want to add?
No, just that this is exciting. I mean, it's the first time we've live streamed via StreamrApp, so obviously there's still a ton of work to be done, but we're going in the right direction. So it's good. It's good. Good progress.
How about Adiv?
Yeah, I feel that as well. I think this is really cool. It's actually the first version of it, but I think it's really cool that we're able to do all the restreaming from this 8.1 version. That's pretty cool.
So we're trying to get. I mean, obviously we've had a delay because the team is much smaller now. Due to funding issues, and we've reduced the burn rate. We're going to try and launch the beta April 1st, and it might not be feature complete. There might be some small things missing, like, I don't know, the referral marketing feature, for example. But certainly we want to have a product out there and with a tiered freemium model, i.e., it'll be free for most users to use, and then some users will pay a small subscription for premium features. But yeah, we're aiming for April the 1st, so revised timing.
Maybe we should still reconsider the date. Maybe April the 2nd would be more suitable.
Because April Fools.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, good point. I hadn't thought about that. April the 2nd it is then.
Okay. Yeah, but we shall try to get some kind of previews out for you guys to test before that. So
Yeah.
once we get these like the biggest problems with this UI done, and we get this working on mobile, so then we can publish some kind of previews.
Yeah. Fantastic. Great work, Petri.
Okay, great work from all of the team.
Yeah, great work, Petri. It's a cool, really cool app, and a good start. And there's a really bright future with this. So I'm excited.
Hey, did we get a recording of this, or no? We didn't, did we? Okay.
Technically, yeah. I'll be honest, yeah. It was so scattered today.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I don't know. Actually, YouTube and X, they do some kind of recording. Actually,
Yeah.
maybe
Just on the website now,
YouTube, I forgot to
publicly.
do it public for the first 30 minutes. It was unlisted for the first 30 minutes.
Well, that's okay. The first 15 minutes, no one was talking about anything. So, but the only reason I'm asking is because on the website, there's a page now at streamer.com/resources/build in public, and I've got all of our calls on there, all the video recordings. So I might add this one. I'm not sure. This one's a bit scrappy though. It's not like a normal call, right? So, but yeah, if we can record next week's, that would be really good.
Is there going to be a recording feature
Yeah,
within StreamrApp?
yeah. It's
there's
already
going to be, and it's already been implemented. But once again, that needs to be integrated into this version.
Cool.
Yes. But yeah, you can check whether YouTube was recording, whether X was recording.
So I think, like I said, we have bits and pieces of the recording probably on YouTube and on X. So it's not the full one like how we typically do, but not because the whole system is kind of just still fragmented. I think once we get it down, we'll be.
Okay, but yeah, it's very very interesting that there's this problem with sound with Adiv. I can hear Mark very well, but there are cuts in your sound.
And my sound?
Yes. Yeah, I don't know what that's about.
Because here I don't hear many cuts in your sound, but it's a Mark sound.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
interesting. Okay, let's see. Somebody again requested to talk. Probably it was Rob again, but probably again there are some problems because okay, there's Rob.
Here's how it sounds like YouTube.
Rob, are you there? Rob? No.
Guys, I've got to shoot in a minute. I've got a hard stop in like 3 minutes. Sorry about
Yeah.
No problem.
that.
Okay.
Hey, I would have well, we're not going to get him this time.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get him on in 2 weeks.
Yeah, but next time, hopefully, we can get the mobile working, and
Yeah,
then you can join us.
yeah, exactly. That would be great.
Yes. Okay, shall we wrap up? It's only 2 minutes
Yeah.
to the hour.
All right.
All right. Great work, guys. Catch you soon.
See you soon. Bye.